Prisoners in their apartment, 4 members of a family that the U.S. Ebola patient stayed with in Dallas have been ordered by the state of Texas to stay indoors. A teenage boy emerged, bringing in donations from a local food bank and supplies from the Red Cross, all under the watchful eye of law enforcement. The food bank says it gave a 3-day supply to the family. In the Liberian neighborhood where the Ebola patient, Thomas Eric Duncan, is from, locals express shock. They say the virus hit the area hard. The Associated Press has learned Duncan helped a sick pregnant woman into a taxi a few weeks ago, setting off to help her find treatment. The Liberian government says the man lied in an airport questionnaire about having contact with an infected person. Duncan is in isolation at a Dallas hospital. A cleanup crew appeared to hose off an area by the apartment in which Duncan stayed. Later in the day, the county's top public health officials paid a house call to the 4 people inside, as they're being monitored for symptoms.
So they are frustrated, they don't know what's going on, and it's hard for us to communicate.
The apartment complex manager described neighbors' concerns. Security guards still block off the entrance. County officials plan on sending a professional cleanup crew inside the apartment to dispose of anything Duncan may have touched while sick.
We've used them in HIV, AIDS situations where we needed to do a cleanup, and other bloodborne illness cleanups.
At schools where 5 children attend whom Duncan had contact with, anxious parents were given letters explaining Ebola.
And then we just got letters in the kids' backpack yesterday saying that they have it basically under control, but I feel, otherwise, because if you really had it under control, the kid wouldn't have came to school in the first place.
The Dallas County Health Department is now monitoring up to 100 people who may have had contact with Duncan. They'll be checking on them for the next 3 weeks. John Moan, Associated Press, Dallas.